Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Ngegama likayise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Ngicela ukuba ithandwa zami sambeni sezwini lika uNkulunkulu. Luke chapter 8 verses 30 to 39. Luke chapter 8 verses 30 to 39. Ngifisa sibuke ku verse 30. Ningakhohlwa lana uJesu uhlangana nensizwa esihlala emathuneni. Ehlaleni kwakhe emathuneni kunezinto lensizwa ebisizenza. It's amazing ukuthi this man was once a family man, but for some reason he got sick. For some reason things fell off balance, and he was chained, was put into chains and shackles. But he was so strong, he was so powerful that all the chains and the shackles he broke. He was that strong that he broke all the chains and the shackles, and Balagahle uti, they could not contain him anymore. They could not restrain him anymore. He overpowered them so much that he went into the tombs. He ran into the tombs. He fled into the tombs. And now he stayed among the dead. One of the worst things that he did, every night and day, he howled like an animal. He cut and bruised himself. And that's the most painful thing that one can ever do. When we internalize pain, when we internalize oppression, when we become our own worst enemy. And that is possible. Thandwa zami, akuve kulula to become your own worst enemy. And a typical example for me, it's negative self-talk. So often kunabantu abahlala with negative self-talk. Sometimes it can be self-pity. Sometimes I can become my own worst enemy, my worst critic. Ukuthi abanye abantu abadingi abantu abangaphandle ukubadestroya. Abadingi abantu bangaphandle ukubatshela how useless they are. Abadingi abantu bangaphandle ukubatshela ukuthi wena kahle kahle you will never make it. They do that themselves. You know what frustrates me about this man? He was so powerful. Ukuthi every chain they put on him, every shackle they bound him with, he broke those. He was that powerful. Ukuthi he just broke any of those things. They did not have power over him. And there was nothing, absolutely nothing that could destroy him. He was that powerful. He was that great. And now engikubukayo okungithintayo nokungithusayo ukuthi from this powerful man, from this great guy, he is destroying himself. Uyena olimaza yonke into uNkulunkulu amnike yona. He's cutting himself, he's bruising himself, he's howling like an animal. And sometimes we do that. You know, we go through what we call self-pity. We go through experiences where we no longer believe that we are good. We no longer believe that we are worthy. We no longer believe that someone can still see value in me. I've seen this with so many people who've gone through issues empilweni. Either a person has lost someone they love, a person has lost a good relationship, whether in marriage or whatever. A person has lost a good job. and they start doubting their capabilities. And they sit and they wallow in pity and sadness. And that becomes something so dangerous empilweni zethu. But also what I find also dangerous is to allow fear to enter into your system. Many people are trapped by fear. They tremble at the sight of fear. Kunabantu, it's more than just ukuthi bangamagwala. Bayesaba. They hear one word, they make it 1,000 words. They get an idea, they build a mansion out of it. Kunabanye abantu, unfortunately, whose minds overthink, and no matter what, no matter how small something is, bona, they think, and their mind just builds it up, and they think it's big, and these people, they live in fear. And this fear trembles them, and it makes them, it incapacitates them to think clearly. Some people are paralyzed by fear. And you ask, what is it that you are scared of? Yin lena oisabayo. Yin lena ekuthusayo. Bese uyabona ukuthi balento oyisabayo ayinabo uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu yena okwazi ukuphilisa abantu bakhe. Asikho isidingo sokuthi sesabe. Asikho isidingo sokuthi abantu bakaNkulunkulu bangamthembi uNkulunkulu. Le ndoda iyayilimaza yona uqobo lwayo. Abanye abantu babulawa guilt. And ngenxa yalokho uthola sengathi izinto zabo azambi kahle. Bese uyabuza ukuthi but kungani uhlale entweni engenasidingo sakhona? Kungani ukhathazwe into engenasidingo sakhona? Kungani uyitshele ukuthi lento oyenzayo ayihambisani necebo uNkulunkulu analo ngawe? uNkulunkulu wethu uNkulunkulu onomusa. uNkulunkulu wethu uNkulunkulu olalelayo. uNkulunkulu wethu uNkulunkulu owenza isihawu. Kungani abantu behluleka ukumethemba? Then uyabona ukuthi kunezinto eziningi esilimaza ngazo engadingi ukuba silimaze ngazo empilweni. Kodwa ngifuna siye ku verse 30. If we come to verse 30, Jesus had asked him, "What is your name?" He replied, "Legion, because many demons have entered me." Igama lami nginguligiyoni ngokuba sibaningi. Thandwa zami, ngike ngenza ivideo la ngibuza khona uhlobo lwabantu esondelana nabo. Lona uyangithinta uma ethi igama lami nginguLigiyoni ngokuba sibaningi. Baningi asebengene empilweni yami. Thandwa zami, umuntu nomuntu unezinto adlule kuzona. Umuntu nomuntu kunezimo ezimshintshile empilweni. Kodwa lensizwa ithi mihlangana noJesu ebese qubuka lezinto ezikuyena. Bese lezinto ezikuyena kube izona overtake ikhulume izinto ezenzakalayo empilweni yalo baba. Uthi thina suLigiyoni ngoba thina sibaningi. Thina suLigiyoni ngoba thina kade samngena. Mhlambe umbuzo ekumele siubuze, ngazubani oqubukayo kumina? Uyabona thandwa zami, khona abanye abantu uma bediniwe baba olunye uhlobo lomuntu. Khona abanye abantu okuthi uma bephatheke kabuhlungu babe olunye uhlobo lomuntu. Khona abanye abantu ukuthi uma izinto zabo zingahambi kahle babe uhlobo lomunye umuntu. Then you soon realize ukuthi kuzo zonke lezinto esebeyizona akuyona into abayona, kodwa yinto ukulimala kwabo okubenze baba yiyona ikona. Thola ukuthi omunye umuntu ngenxa yokulimala kwakhe akasathembi. Ngenxa yokulimala kwakhe akasakwazi ukuthanda. Ngenxa yokulimala kwakhe usehlezi esola wonke umuntu. And that for me is something absolutely sad. Siyiswela lenkonzo yokumcela uNkulunkulu ekuthenini la engilimale khona Nkosi ngiyacela ukuba ungisize. La engilimale khona Nkosi ngiyacela ungelaphe. La engilimale khona Nkosi ngiyacela ngingabalimazi abanye abantu. Uyangithinta umntaka Maria. Uyangithinta uNkulunkulu ngalesi simanga asenzayo. Ukuthi kona konke besingekho isidingo. Kodwa engikuthanda kakhulu nokungithintayo, as they plead with him not to order them to depart to the Abers, for a herd of many swines was feeding there on the hillside. They pleaded with him to allow them to enter those swine, and he let them. Khona lenkonzo engike ngakhuluma ngayo. Thandwa zami, kubalekile ukuhlambulula izinto. Lamadimoni aphuma kumuntu ayongena ezingulubeni. obviously ingulube ezizophuma ziyongena emfuleni emanzini. Now you are aware ukuthi aphume kumuntu aya engulubeni zizofika ingulube aphume engulubeni angene emanzini. You are aware bazowasebenzisa amanzi abantu and asaza nani. Yabona khona lento ehlezi ngimangaza. And it's an in thing ukuthi we must purify our water. Well, physically, abantu purify amanzi. Kodwa spiritually as well. Ingakho uma senza imkhuleko sibusisa amanzi. If uya kwi-old ritual, uthi ngiyagoma wena amanzi ngamandla kaNkulunkulu Somandla. Ngiyagoma wena amanzi ngamandla kaJesu Kristu umsindisi. Ngiyagoma wena amanzi ngamandla kaMoya ocwebileyo umthokozisi. Bese ngithi ngiyagoma wena amanzi ngamandla obuthathu obucwebileyo kaNkulunkulu. Ngiyagoma wena amanzi ngamandla obupriest uNkulunkulu asinikeze bona. Ngiyagoma wena amanzi ukubulalela izwi likaNkulunkulu okuyelo kuyalayo. Ngiyagoma wena amanzi uma kukhona ukubi nongcolileyo kuwena makuphume lamanzi. Ngiyagoma wena amanzi ukuba ukufa ngingabizwa phezu kwakho. Ngiyagoma wena amanzi ukuba uphenduke kuba amanzi aphilayo naphilisayo. That word is very powerful. Ngiyagoma wena amanzi. Ngesingisi, I exorcise you water by the powers of God Almighty. I exorcise you salt by the powers of God Almighty. It is important to exercise before you bless. I always say this, Kofata abezangmina, and I help them with training yabo. I help them with a finalization of izinto zabo ukuthi you cannot bless that which you have not exercised. Awukwazi ukubusisa into ongayigomanga, ongayihlambululanga. Sisebancane sisifika epristeni sasinofata abadala okuyibona abasifundisa lezi imfihlakalo ukuthi kunezinto ongakwazi ukuzenza. Awukwazi ukusebenzisa imoto noma kuthiwa ivelaphi kubantu ungayigomanga ungayibusisanga. Awukwazi ukusebenzisa ikhaya umuzi ungaligomanga ungalibusisanga. Awukwazi ukusebenzisa izinto ozoyigqoka especially izinto ozoyifaka emzimbeni wakho especially lezi zokwenza imhlatshelo engcwele amamisa engcwele ungayibusisanga ungayigomanga. Awukwazi ukusebenzisa ama vessels ungagomanga ukubusisanga. And hence, bobuza ofata abadala, anywhere they go, they will always use holy water. Anywhere they go. And noma ngathiwa bayakiphi mission, bayakiphi perisha bazosebenza kuyona, before bakwazi ukusebenza khona, the first thing ekumele bayenze ukuyigoma nokuyihlahlamelisa nokuyibusisa, then bayethule uNkulunkulu. Mase bezethula bona qala before bayothula ibandla likaNkulunkulu. There's so much wisdom in that. Khona izinto ongakwazi ukuthi uvedana uyithathe uyisebenzise ungamcelanga uNkulunkulu ukuthi inkosi hlambulula. Thandwa zami, abanye bethu bayayazi lento, abanye abantu abadala bake basifundisa ukuthi awuyithathe into esitolo njengoba injalo uyithathe uyifake emzimbeni, ithathe bese uyayiwasha kuqala. Ithathe nje uyiwasha ifake emanzini. Baye bathi abantu abadala into ayisuke esitolo ingene emzimbeni, ayisuke esitolo idlule emanzini kuqala. Yes, there's wisdom in that. Hlambulula izinto. Kubalulekile ukuhlambulula izinto. La madimoni athi usuyasusa ke la. Kodwa sicela kube khona la ozosibeka khona. Sicela kube khona la esohlala khona. Yazi thandwa zami, khona lemfihlo akuyona futhi nemfihlo, into esiyaziyo iningi lethu. Khona abanye abantu abalinyazwa and equally abalashwa zindawo abaye kuzona. Angenza umzekeliso. khona indawo othi muya kuyona uyithola ukuthi yaze yanokuthula le ndawo, and hence you will say this is my happy place, because indawo othi mufika kuyona muhlala kuyona you realize ukuthi inokuthula, you realize ukuthi le ndawo engikuyona is so peaceful, you realize labantu enginabo are so peaceful, labantu enginabo ba generator this powerful energy enokuthula. Yazi khona omunye umuntu othi munaye inhliziyo yakho ibe nokuthula, khona umndeni othi munawo inhliziyo yakho ibe nokuthula. But also equally important, khona abanye abantu abanomsindo. Yazi khona abantu who drain you, and muke wasondela you realize ukuthi I'm so drained, kade nginosibani, I'm just emotionally, spiritually, physically drained. Khona abantu othi but so and so drains me. Kodwa futhi kuneyindawo ezinjalo, kuneyindawo ezinomsindo. Yes, I'm not denying khona ezinye ezinomsindo, like really physically loud, but khona okunye it's not even physically loud, but spiritually it's so loud. Inomsindo le ndawo, ngezulu esimnandi iyaxokozela. Khona indawo exokozelayo, khona amakhaya axokozelayo. Yabona khona ezinye indawo othi mungena kuzona you realize ukuthi no, this is not me, this is not my space, this is not my place. Ngiyakwazi ukuhlala la, ngiyakwazi, because it's something. Uboyibuka lento, most women mabeyothenga imizi abayithengi kakhulu ngoba nakhu iyinhle ngaleyo ndlela, but most of them bazoyithenga based on ukuthi how do they feel when they get in there. Then you will realize ukuthi no, this is beautiful, this is something that I want. This is like a sculptor who sees a dead wood. I love this because uyakwazi ukubona something thina esingayiboni. And so these people babayangena athi no ngiyayithanda lento. But when awukayiboni abayithanda, because they feel ukuthi the energy is so powerful, the energy is so positive, there's something good la engingakwazi ukuyenza. Khona omunye umuntu othi angilifuni mina leli khishi. No, it doesn't speak to me. Angithandi mina le bedroom. It doesn't radiate the energy that I need. And ibalekile leyo nto ithandwa zami. Khona lento engifisa ukuyisho. Energy don't lie. Energy does not lie. It does not. Energy does not lie. You must just know that it does not lie. You either get it or you don't get it. But the energy does not lie. Sometimes you realize what but there's something that just doesn't gel. Khona lento engahlangani. Khona lento engathi ncam. Khona lento enganginiki ukuthula. And kwesinye isikhathi we ignore that. And that's the most dangerous thing. Don't ignore it. Khona la ozosho khona ukuthi but energy doesn't lie. Angizwa kahle lento. Angimuzwa kahle lo muntu. Ayihlangani kahle lenkulumo yethu. Akusho ngomlomo, akwenza ngezenzo, nengikudonsayo in my spirit akuhlangani. Then ungakunaka kusho ngomlomo, ungakunaka kwenza ngezenzo, naka umoya wakho okuxoxela kona. Now iyangithinta in verse 33, the demons came out of the man, they entered the swine, the herd rushed down the steep bank into the lake, and they drowned. At a go, they died. Kodwa le ndoda angazi yayisihlale nale moya isikhathi esingakanani. Khona lento ebuhlungu empilweni, slow poison, ukufa kancane. Uthola ukuthi there's something inside of you ekubulalayo kancane. Mhlambe wena uboni, mhlambe wena wazi, mhlambe wena awunakile. But you just realize ukuthi izokuqeda lento. And khona abanye abantu abanjalo. They let worry cripple them. They let fear destroy them. Ibhlungu into enjalo. And you soon realize ukuthi khona abanye abantu abalinyazwa izinto. Thandwa zami ngihlezi ngibuka eWoodboro umuhlwa. Angaze ngizwe umuhlwa kuthiwa ungena into uyilimaze within a day leyo nto collapse. No. It takes time. It takes time. Khona ezinye izinto ezishayayo manje kodwa zindala. Khona ezinye izinto ezis-affectayo manje kodwa zindala. And you realize ukuthi indala nje lento. Lento elimaza usibanibani indala. Akufunakala usibanibani ngabe ulinyazwa ilento. Thandwa zami khona izinto ezithi mazenzeka, we don't attend to them immediately. And there's wisdom in both. Khona ezinye izinto you just don't have to attend to them immediately, leave them, ziyeke. With time they will sort themselves out. With time they will fall into place. But equally important, khona ezinye izinto ezithi mazenzeka, you must attend to them immediately. Because if you don't, they will destroy you. Zizokulimaza. And so kubalekile ukuthi is this beautiful prayer. Know the things that you can and know the things that you can't. The serenity prayer. Kubalekile umuntu ukwazi ama strengths nama weaknesses akho. Ukwazi ama challenges akho. Ukwazi ukuthi lokhu ngingakwazi ukudila nakho ngikulungise, lokhu angikwazi ukudila nakho ngikulungise. Lokhu ngiyakwazi ukumelana nakho, lokhu ngidinga usizo ekumelaneni nakho. Kunezinto ezibaleke ngalolo hlobo empilweni zethu. And so kumina uma lama demoni ephuma ayagijima aze ayongena engulubeni ezibalekayo ziyongena emfuleni, bese ngiyahlala enhlizweni yami ngiyibuza ukuthi lo baba i-damage eyenzeke kuyena ingakanani. Wethandwa zami, ubuke umuntu who's gone through a divorce. Ubuke umuntu who's divorcing manje. Ungamjudge. You don't know what they've had to go through. You don't know what they had to go through. Yabona kwesinye isikhathi njengabantu asive good at criticizing people. Asive good at judging people. But the sad part of which we are judging our decisions without knowing what has led them to those decisions. Yabona lento ifana nomuntu who's very vocal, adrowe ama conclusions nama inferences entweni angayazi nangenabo ubuqinisekiso bayo. Ngiyamsaba umuntu mina who build opinions or statements based on public hearsay. Unless you know and you have critically evaluated the data, then you have a right to a calculated opinion. Yabona, one of the most beautiful things engithandayo about academia, there are journals, there are publications that are credible. What you write, what I write, is an opinion until it is peer reviewed and people have engaged it and critically engaged it. And if it survives and succeeds, then it is an article worth reading. If it's something ekweyami, no one has critically reviewed it and reviewed it and engaged it, it's nothing but an opinion. But you know what? Sometimes we think the opinion is the truth. It's not. It's just an opinion. And ibalulekile leyo nto ithandwa zami. Why a divorce usibanibani? Baningi abantu abazothi no, lento yenzayo isono, lento yenzayo wrong, lento yenzayo destroy ukuthi, lento yenzayo. But the very same people abasho njalo abazi ukuthi yini that has led you to that. And if bona had to go through what you went through, they will not have survived. You know, into engithusayo, I mean, I'm presuming this is less than an hour. Lama demoni ephume kule ndoda. I mean, immediately lithi izwi laNkulunkulu aphuma kule ndoda ngena ey'ngulubeni, iy'ngulube zehla zangena emanzini zafa. That's less than an hour. They just could not stomach it. Sena sami ngifuna ukuthi whatever you have been suffering, you are a very strong person. Whatever you have been going through, whatever you have been dealing with, you are a very strong person. It has not killed you. It would have probably killed some of us. Yes, angiphiki ukuthi kulimazile mhlambe. Angiphiki ukuthi mhlambe kunezinto ezenzile kuwena and impilo yakho mhlambe ayisoze yaphinde yefana. Kodwa ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi you are far stronger than most of us. You are far stronger than you believe. Ngoba lento ayikubulalanga. Khona izinto abanye abantu ngebakwazi ukumelana nazo. They will just collapse. They will crumble. And when you're still standing. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu ngawo. Akukona ukwazi nokuqonda nokuhlakanipha nobungcweti bakho kodwa umusa kaNkulunkulu. Yabona mabethi umusa kaNkulunkulu wanele bonke. Iqiniso lelo. Mabethi uNkulunkulu uyathwalisana. Iqiniso lelo. Ngiyafuna wazi ukuthi kuzo zonke izinto osudlule kuzona ezenzakele nezenzakalayo manje, you're a strong person. The mere fact that you are still standing, the mere fact ukuthi usawavula amehlo akho, the mere fact that you still draw life, you're a powerful person. It's a pity we don't celebrate you. It's a pity we don't celebrate your milestones. It's a pity the world does not give you an accolade. But ngiyacela, give yourself an accolade. Give yourself. You know, at the end of each day, AA, there's a principle, one day at a time. Only for today, I will keep sober. And at the end of each day, every recovering alcoholic thank God and say, thank you, Lord. I was sober today. Now I go to bed sober. Ngiyafisa. Give yourself an accolade. Ungalindi abantu bakucelebrate. Ungalindi abantu bakupraise. Ungalindi abantu baku-acknowledge. Give yourself that acknowledgement. Yeah. And look upstairs and say, ngiyabonga. If it wasn't for the man upstairs, I wouldn't be here. Baningi abafike ku crossroads wena okuyona manje, and they collapsed. Baningi abafike with dead end okuyona manje, and they couldn't see a detour wena osuyibonile. Baningi abalale embedeni banqaba ukuvuka, wena khahlela ingubo wayibeka le, wathi noma kunje I will still get up and face the new day. Thandwa zami, lama demoni couldn't survive an hour nalezi ngulube, kodwa le ndoda has survived months and years of cutting himself and bruising himself, howling like an animal, but refusing to die. That's the word. That's the word for today. I refuse to die. That's the word for today. I refuse to die. Ngeke ingibulale lento. Ngeke uhlakaza umuzi wami lento. Ngeke ibe namandla lento. I refuse to die. That's the word for today. Noma ngathiwa kwenzakalani. Noma ngathiwa sekubheda kanjani. I refuse to die. To death, not today. That's my motto. To death, not today. I refuse to die. Ngeke ngife. Ngeke ngibulawe ile. Kukona konke obengangibulala. Kodwa le ngeke ngibulale. So my motto is powerful. To death, not today. Anginendaba ukuthi bekuthi kona sekufikile. Kodwa mina ngiyakutshela. To death, not today. I refuse to die. And I can imagine lendoda every day. Ithi mina ngeke ngibulawe ilento. Mina ngeke ngibulawe ilento. And imagine ithandwa zami if you have that motto. Mina ngeke ngibulawe ilento. Ukuthi bathi ngiyakweleta, ukuthi bathi kwenzakalani, kodwa mina ngeke ngibulawe ilento. Ngeke ngibulawe ilento. Anginendaba ukuthi kwenzakalani. Anginendaba ukuthi ilimaza kangakanani, anginendaba ukuthi yenza ini nani, kodwa mina ngeke ngibulawe yilento. Do you know the power to live is so powerful? Yabona lento yokuthi ngeke ngife mina manje. Ngeke ngibulawe ilento. I refuse to die. And I wish you can write that down, make it your screenshot, put it on your phone, put it anywhere and every day. And you say to yourself, to death, not today. You say to yourself, I refuse to die. You say to yourself, mina ngeke ngibulawe ilento. It doesn't matter ukuthi yini. Anginendaba ukuthi bangake sibabulele, kodwa mina ngeke ngibulawe ilento. Ayinawo amandla. Ithandwa zami, that's how most people survived COVID. You just told yourself, I'm not going to die here. I'm not dying. That's how most people survived trauma. That's how most people survived accidents. That's how most people survived depression and whatever. They came to their senses, they came to their minds, and to say, mina ngeke ngibulawe ilento. That's how many people survived ubuhlungu benhliziyo. They told themselves, mina ngeke ngibulawe yilento. Anginendaba. Kodwa wena ngeke ungibulale. Basukuma, bavuka embedeni, basukuma, bayogeza, basukuma, and they faced the world. Basukuma, but mabe, yabona khona into ofanele kuyenze umuntu. Sukuma, uyogeza, ube muhle, uyongena izitha zakho. Kodwa Jesu wenzani? Sukuma, bhala phansi. Sukuma, uyogeza, ube muhle, uyongena izitha zakho. Yabona bakushiye beyitshela ukuthi hayi loyana ubulawa depression. Hayi loyana ngeke survive. Hayi loyana siqedile ngaye. Sukuma, uyogeza, ube muhle, uyongena izitha zakho. Just do that. Sukuma uyogeza, ube muhle. Ube muhle. Ungabukeki njengosizi lakho. Ube muhle. Bese uyongena izitha zakho. Ngiyakutshela. Zoshayisana ngamakhanda. Zoyibuza ukuthi akuyena ndlone esimshiye thina e-ICU, akuyena ndlone esimshiye thina engani usibanibani usinike i-feed up ngosibanibani wathi hayi loyana hayi ngeke survive le yanto, engani usibanibani uyena ositshelile ukuthi hayi loyana izinto ziyampedela, engani usibanibani uyena obesitshela nathi nje evidence uze wasishuthela esikhombisa ukuthi hayi loyana ngeke aphaphame la. Ube muhle maqeda niyongena izitha zakho. To death, not today. Mina angeke ngibulawe ilento. And sit with that. Ngeke mina ngibulawe ilento. And if you can allow that, if you can sit with that, then you can face izinto eziningi empilweni. Now, masiqhubeka ithandwa zami, khona lento uNkulunkulu ayivusayo. When the swineherds saw what had happened, they ran away and they reported the incident in the town and throughout the countryside. That's verse 34. They went to report. People came out to see what had happened. And when they approached Jesus, they discovered the man from whom the demons had come out sitting at his feet. He was clothed and in his right mind, and they were seized with fear. Yazi into engithintayo, abantu ababuya beyoxoxelwa. Ngifuna ukuthini? Ngifuna ukuthi kunabantu abazoxoxelwa ngawe. Awungizwa mhlambe kahle. Kunabantu abazoxoxelwa ngawe. Kunabantu abazoxoxelwa ngosizi lwakho. Kunabantu abazoxoxelwa ngezinto ezenzeke kuwena. Mabefika bethi bazokubona, bane expectation ngawe ukuthi ekuthiwa kuyabheda kusibanibani. Mabefika bezokubona bekufica right, kuzoba frustrate. Angani manje ngizwileni. Kunabantu abazoxoxelwa ngawe. Kunabantu abazotshela ukuthi uyazi usibanibani lento ke izomlimaza. Uyazi ke usibanibani lento ke izoba ukuthi nokuthi nokuthi ngawe. And so bazoza bene expectation. Bazoza benale image ngawe. Kodwa nimbonile bese iskepsela, kodwa nimbonile bese is-Aram, kodwa nimbonile bese nje, kodwa nimbonile bese. Kodwa mabefika, go back to that word engicela ukukhuluma. Sukuma ugeze ube muhle uyobangena. Bazoni mabefika bekubona, bebona uhleka, bebona uhappy, bebona at peace, bebona uprogressa. Uyazi uzobalimaza. Uyazi yini ukuthi uzobalimaza? Iskepsel is-Aram. Uyazi uzobalimaza. Bazolimala labantu. Balinyazwa yini? Balinyazwa ukuthi awuyona lento abayitshela ukuthi bazokufica uyona. Uthini uNkulunkulu kanti namhlanje kuthina? Uthi uNkulunkulu sukuma. Uthi uNkulunkulu sukuma. Geza. Athi uNkulunkulu iba muhle. bese uthi uNkulunkulu bangene. Uyazi kodwa uNkulunkulu avekanga uthi awubangene. Bazobuya emumva, bazothi mabekubona they'll just how umbonile how hayibo sibani hayibo umbonile. Yazi sithando zami, angisho ukuthi you must pretend. No, don't pretend, just be who you are. Because bazothuka omunye uzoza phakathi kwathi how mina bengayitshela ukuthi unje, mina bengayitshela ukuthi ngizokufica unje, mina bengayitshela ukuthi uzobu right kanje. Bese umbuzo ukuthi kanti ubuyitshela ukuthi uzongifica nginjani? Hayi thina besiyitshela sokufica mhlambe ulele phansi, thina besiyitshela sokufica mhlambe unje. Kunabantu ababatshelile ukuthi hambani niyombheka, sesiqedile ngaye, hambani niyombheka, sesilinde nje ukuthi sitshele ukuthi usibani useyibulele, usibani usefile. No, sukuma geza iba muhle, hawindaba unqabelani, sukuma hamba ogeza ube muhle bese yobangena. Bangakufici nje ulele phansi embedeni, bangakufici nje ulele phansi umbatha elona ingubo baze bakudabukela bathi awu shame, usakwazi nje kodwa ukudla, ayi shame simphatheleni, awu shame nansi iyogurt mhlawumbe akazame yona, awu shame nanka ama fruit, awu shame nansi ijuice. No, ubona uthe wena udinga ukudla, awudinge ukudla wena. Abantu mabengena kubo wena osukuma aqala ubamukele, abantu mabengena kubo wena othi ayibosondelana uzani thina zamhlalani phansi ninjani, abantu mabengena kubo wena osukumayo uhambe uyobheka into abazoyidla nihlale phansi, abantu mabengena kubo wena othi yes kwenzakalani, akuthi makuyibona abantu bazoduduza wena kubo wena oduduza bona uthi hayibo indaba, hayibo don't worry leyo into enze kanje, hayi lokhu kunje. Wenzani uNkulunkulu? Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu lamadoda afika, athi mayifika afica le ndoda eyekade inamadimoni, yayenzani moya ongcwele? Kuthiwa he was sitting by the feet of the master. He was sitting by the feet of the master. We are reflecting on Luke chapter 8 verse 38 to 39. Now I'm sitting at verse 34. Verse 35, he was sitting at the feet of the master. Kanjani? He was fully clothed. Phela before ubenqunu, manje useyagqokile. Enzani? In his right mind. Everything was perfect. I like the positioning. He was sitting at the feet of the master, fully clothed, in his right mind. Write this word for me. Positioning is everything. Write it down for me. Positioning is everything. You must learn to position yourself. Positioning is everything. Ngifuna uyizwe lento. Bayamazi. They know lendoda. Bayamazi ubegula. Bayamazi enqunu. Bayamazi in chains and shackles. Bayamazi ewaqashula. Bayamazi cutting himself and bruising himself. Bayamazi howling like an animal. Kodwa bamazi esehleli enyaweni zomsindisi egqokile in his right mind. I'm not sure noma uyayizwa lento engishoyo. Abamazi at his best. Kunabantu abazuhluleka kwakho. Kunabantu abazusizi lwakho. Kunabantu abazizinto. But abazi ukuthi positioning is everything. So when they come behlangana noJesu, kodwa mabefica le ndoda isihleli fully clothed in his right mind, they're speechless. Thandwa zami, khona abanye abantu abakhulumi nawe hayi ngoba nakho bekudinelwe, abazi bazothini. Abazi bazothini. This is just too much for them. They can't. They have no words. Abazi bazothini. Abazi. Bebe ne image thizeni, bebe itshela ukuthi manje masekunje abazi. Abazi bazothini. Hayi madoda kithi, hayi. They don't know. They've never thought this man will sit among the table, or rather in the table of the greatest. Khona abanye abantu in their figmentations of their minds abazi ukuthi ungahlala namakhosi. Abazi ukuthi ungahlala endaweni ephakeme. So mabefika bekubona ukuleli tafula babashawa amahloni. Mabekubona ukuleli tafula wathi ufike kanjani? Uyithole kanjani invitation? Mabekubona ukuleli tafula abazi benze njani. Khona abanye abantu mabekubona usugqokile bona bakwazi unqunu, bakwazi ungembathiswanga amandla, bakwazi uyintuma i-tennis ball abakwazi ukuyigenda. Kodwa mase bekubona wembathele amandla, athi obhala kahle ubani lona owembatha amandla angaka, ubani lona owembathilanga, ubani lona ohamba phekwenyanga, ubani lona osibekelwe lizulu. Khona abanye abantu abagcina ulimele, bagcina ulimele. Abazi ukuthi manje sekuwena owembatha amandla. I'm not sure noma uyayizwa lento uNkulunkulu ayambulayo. Bagcina ulimele. Bagcina udwengulwa zilwane. Kodwa bakwazi ukuthi manje sewembatha amandla. Bathi mabeqhamuka bembona esembetha amandla, bashayisana ngamakhanda. I can imagine lona uqhwebuza kwabo nalo aqhwebuza kwabo bayabuzana ngabe kusawuyena yini. Athi omunye ya kusawuyena. Kwenzakaleni? Athi omunye asazi kodwa nangu sembetha amandla. Athi omunye asazi kodwa nange senza izinto esingayitshelanga ukuthi uyokazenza. Athi omunye asazi kodwa nange phakame enza into esingayazi. Athi omunye asazi kodwa nange engathi izulu selimembethe. Athi omunye asazi kodwa nange engathi nemoya isiyamthobela. Athi omunye asazi athi kodwa nangu uNkulunkulu esenza izinto esasiyitshela ngeke aphinda zenze. Athi ubhala kahle isilahlwa siphenduka intandokazi. Awungibhalela phansi, awungibhalela ukuthi isilahlwa siphenduka intandokazi. Uthi isilahlwa siphenduka intandokazi. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu, they found him, he was clothed, he was sitting by the feet. He was in his right mind. He was in his right mind. They didn't know what to do with him. Whereas khona abanye abantu abangazi what to do with you. Why? Because the only thing they know to do with you ukukudabukela. The only thing they know what to do with you ukukusiza. The only thing they know what to do with you ukuthi shame bandla, shame kuzolunga. They do not know what to do with you when you no longer need to shame nokudatshukelwa. Kodwa wenzani uNkulunkulu wami? Kodwa wenzani? Nambona kodwa uNkulunkulu edlala ngathi. Khona abanye abantu who do not know how to deal with you. Write this down. They do not know how to deal with me in my glory. They do not know how to deal with me in my glory. They do not know how to deal with me in my element. They only know how to deal with you mawuxakekile. They only know how to deal with you mabezokududuza. They only know how to deal with you mawukuthi wena ocela usizo. They do not know how to deal with me in my glory. They do not know how to deal with me in my element. They do not know how to deal with me in my best. They don't know. Silahlwa. Siphenduka intandokazi. They just don't know how to deal with you when you are at your best. How do I deal with you now when everything is going so well? They don't know. They don't know how to deal with me in my element, in my glory, in my best. They don't. They are found fumbling. Bayaphikisana bonke sesokwenze njani manje ngayi sesothini manje ngayi ngoba lokade sithi somduduza ngakho sekuyena oduduza thina lokho besithi sizomhlekisa ngakho sekuyena okwenza ihla sesokwenze njani. No man, go back. Sukuma hambogeza. Hayi man, hambogeza. Iba muhle. Hambo bangena. Ngiyacela. Sukuma geza iba muhle hambo bangena. I'm telling you, they do not know how to deal with you in your glory. They don't know. Bafika beyitshela ukuthi ahavele siyalazi lo lahlanya, ahavele siyamazi uligoni, ahavele siyamazi akamsebenzi walutho. Kodwa mabefika, my God, lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu, he was sitting by the feet. He was fully clothed. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu, he was in his right sense of mind. He was in his senses. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu, fear seized them. Besaba. Uyazi ukuthi bayakusaba? Uyazi ukuthi bayakusaba na? Why? Because they do not know this side yakho. They don't know how to deal with you. And they will not know how to deal with you. Because bona the only thing abayaziyo ngawe ile side. Lena yamanje abazi lutho ngayo, and so abazi bazokwenza njani. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu, if you go to verse 36, those who witnessed it told them how the possessed man had been saved. The entire population of the region of Gerasenes asked Jesus to leave them because they were seized with great fear. So he got into the boat and they returned. They just don't know what to do with you. Bazothi, Nkosi, sicela uhambe. I just cannot handle you. They go to Jesus and they ask him, sicela uhambe endaweni yethu. Hamba. Sicela uhambe endaweni yethu. Because they just don't know what to do. And that is something so amazing. But you know what fascinates me the most? as they beg Jesus to leave their city. There's a moment of glory. God intercepts, and he does something so powerful, and it's too much for them. And they beg him, the entire population, the whole city. They ask him to leave. Why? They do not know how to deal with him. They just don't know how to deal with him. But go back to verse 38. The man from whom the demons had come out begged him to remain with him. My God, can you see a paradox? The whole city asked Jesus to go. The man who's been healed, uthi remain with me. My God, I love this in isiZulu. Uthi hlala nami Nkosi. Remango con me Dio. Hlala nami Nkosi. Remango con me Dio. Hlala nami Nkosi. Stay with me, Lord. My God, to make your verse 38 the word for today. He begged him to remain with him. Stay with me, Nkosi. Hlala nami Nkosi. Hlala nami Nkosi. Ungasuki kimi. Hlala nami Nkosi. Ungasuki kimi. Ah, my God. Hlala nami Nkosi. Sho njalo lensizwa. Ebona amandla ezulu. You don't reach that stage until you've seen something that no one else has seen. No, man, you do not reach that stage to say hlala nami Nkosi until you have seen what no any other person has seen. Go to Luke 24. Amadoda Emmaus. At the breaking of bread, that's the only thing they could stay. Hlala nami Nkosi. Stay with me. Because you have seen what no any other person has seen. Thilendoda hlala nami Nkosi. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu, he begged him. Hlala nami Nkosi. Remango con me Dio. Stay with me, Lord. I beg you, stay with me. Hlala nami Nkosi. Ngathi uzothi ungasuki kimi. Ngoba ngiubonile ubufakazi. Ngoba ngiwabonile amandla akho. Ngoba ngikubonile ungenzela bonke asebehlulekile ukwenza. Athi hlala nami moya ongcwele. Athi hlala nami uNkulunkulu wamabandla. Athi hlala nami uNkulunkulu okwazi ukwenza konke. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu, he begged him to remain with him. He begged him to remain with him. And that's the closing word. He begged him to remain with him. Now this is amazing. This is fascinating. Wathi hlala nami Nkosi. Izwe lonke selimxoshile. Izwe lonke lamxosha uNkulunkulu lathi hamba sikudingi la. Kodwa uthi ubhala kahle, he turned and he looked at Jesus and he said, stay with me. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu, he begged him, wamncenga, waguqa ngamadolo from the positioning of sitting down. I can imagine him kneeling and say, masuki, wahambi, ngobani? Ngoba mina ngiyakwazi okwenzile. And the argument is so simple. You can never reach the stage where you say, stay with me, Lord, unless you have seen what no any other person has seen and witnessed it. Enye indoda le. Omunye uNkulunkulu lo. Ngegama likaYise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Amen.